Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all good. In my last video, I showed you how I deep condition my natural hair with some organic ingredients. I'm sure you would love to watch this video, so I have left a link in my description. Meanwhile, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification. Today, I will be showing you how I treat my hair with some essential oil. I'll be starting off with the African shea butter, so I'm going to massage it and make sure everything melts properly in my hand before applying it to my hair and of course my scalp. I'm going to massage this gently. Shea butter is a very good moisturizer, and as you can see, now that I'm doing it, it is stretching out my hair. I went in next with my olive oil. I repeated the same process as I did with the shea butter. Massage my scalp, massage my hair strands, and detangle while I do this. Then I took my time to comb my hair in sections. Notice that I started combing from the tip, then worked my way down to the scalp area. This will help minimize breakage and also put less stress on the scalp. Fussy hair is a different kind of breed, so you just have to be very patient. I'm done combing my hair at this point, and you can see how easily the comb is running through. Then I decided to weave my hair into cornrows. This is a very good protective style. Just ensure you're not pulling your hair strands too tightly. There are so many protective styles you can do, so it must not be cornrows. It took me some time, but I finished up. And with this drop of butter, I'm going to be anointing my scalp with the mixture I have in that transparent container. In that container, I have dried rosemary leaves, cloves soaked in castor oil, coconut oil, olive oil, and tea tree oil. Then I took my time to gently massage this application into my scalp. Trust me, this bath is so relaxing. It is so satisfying. Hair care is a healthy practice. It isn't just therapeutic, it is soothing, it is relaxing, it is satisfying, and it is so fun as well. So I'll advise you to take good care of your crown. This oil mixture is also very good for repairing edges. So if you have issues with losing your edges due to certain hairstyle, this is your go-to oil for repairing your edges. And at this point, dear friends, I am done. This is what my cornrows look like. It doesn't look very neat, but it is serving the purpose of protecting my hair. Thank you very much for joining me this time, and I can't wait to share my next video with you. Remember, if you haven't subscribed, please hit that subscribe button now. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Drop a comment and share this link to your friends and naturalistas. Trust me, they will appreciate you. See you in the next video.